I'm Josh Smithberger with Delphian Trading. I'm a trading strategist there. This video is going to cover weekly trades and backtesting them. So we come in the dashboard and we're going to use the wizards for this. We can get to that two different ways. You can go to the menu, backtest wizards, and do the hot button on the top. We'll do the hot button, see all the different types of wizards. We're going to go through the weekly trade this time. We select it and then hit go. So that'll bring us into the wizard. There's three different steps. Create the entry and exit dates, create the trade rules, our strategy, and then select our dollar amount, and then do the back test. So we'll do a QQQ weekly put as our name. The symbol, we'll do QQQ. We'll select if you hit the clock, it'll do the entire date range. So we'll just do year to date. So January 1. And what we'll do, we'll get in, so you can get in the previous week's Thursday, previous week's Friday, the Monday of the week, all the way up till Thursday. So we'll just do previous week Thursday, and then we'll get out on Friday. And you have to put in, you skip a week. So you can run it in the background and it won't freeze up your computer. You'll get entry exit dates here, an alert, or you can just let it run. So we're going to let it run. So there's 26 trades that are created for this weekly put. So what we're going to do is go in and name this. And we're going to select our strategy. So we're going to do a naked put. We're doing weekly trades. And we'll use weekly options. So what we'll do, you have to put in a range. If we're getting in the previous week, Thursday, we're going to want to get at least like 6 to 12 days out. So it should fall within that range every time. And then, we can select delta. We can select strikes from current close, percentage from current close, or we can do, we'll try standard deviation on this one. So we'll say below 1.5 standard deviation. So that's 1/2 standard deviation. And we're just looking for 25% profit. And we'll do a max risk of 50%. You can also add in these different special adjustments. And if you click on the eye anywhere here, it'll give you the info in case you have questions. And also you can always go to the help. So we filled everything out, click the next. Now we're on the third step. We can go in, we can select one contract, we can put in a dollar amount, or we can do our custom trade rules. So we'll just do one contract. We hit next. It submits it, brings us to the results page. So we won 92%. We had 2 losses, 22 wins, and 2 rejected. So occasionally you'll get rejected, and that may be based off of different things, but we can see below, once we click the run, the reasons for the rejects. So let's click run 1. These are all the results. Obviously, had that bad week at the beginning of February. So the last one is rejected because that's the current date, so it's not going to let us buy. because we don't know the results. And the other one, the delta is an issue. So if we change the delta, we may get a result on that. We had 2 bad weeks that really ruined this strategy, even though you have like a 92% win rate, you're still losing money. So what you can do, you can go in and alter that trade rules. So maybe our stop loss is too big. So you can go in, click that sandwich bar, come in and update the characteristics. So if we wanted to move this down to 10%, that might help. And then we can run, and then we can backtest again by clicking backtest. And we got the same results. That must have meant there was a gap down on both those days. So yeah, you can try and investigate it further, but that's basically how the weekly wizard works. And if you have any questions, contact us at sales@delphiantrading.com or the number listed.